was like, listen.
It's a draft. Yeah.
Hey besties, DEBORAH EMEM here. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome, welcome, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But if you're a returning subscriber, like, I love you. Thank you for coming back to rock with me. So from the title, as you can tell, from the elephant in the room, somebody's giving Beyonce vibes. Yes. So today's video is all about my 1 month update on the Raw Hair Vietnam bundles that I received about a month plus ago. So I'm coming to give you guys all the tea, okay? All the tea, because I have been drinking this tea for over a month. So I can give you guys the tea, okay? Complete tea, milk, sugar, honey, anything you want, I got it. So as you can see, I've turned the weave into a wig and I've been wearing it for if you have watched any of my vlog, you will have seen that I was like, wearing this. But I'm coming to give you guys what's goody, what's like everything. How do I look? How do I look? Am I looking good? Does the color suit my skin tone? Like, am I giving Beyonce? Because I think I named her Beyonce because this is what Beyonce, Beyonce is the honey blonde queen, okay? She's the balayage queen. So I don't want to make this video too long, okay? Too long. I just want to come here and tell you guys, is it worth it or not? I'm not getting paid for this video now, okay? This video is me that's just doing it on my own to give you guys my own opinion because I love you guys. I don't want you guys to waste your money or invest in something you're not going to enjoy because that's why I'm here, okay? That's why we're besties. So hit that subscribe button if you're a bestie gang. So I wrote everything I'm going to be discussing in this video here just to give you guys the exact facts and pros and cons. So if you see me looking in here, nobody told me to see anything. I'm going to watch this. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the wigging. So I got this hair turned into a wig for 10,000 naira. That's about $20. I don't know what the current exchange rate is, but so we're about $22. And when I gave my wig lady, and she was like, listen, people are asking for this hair. She called me. Tokwe doesn't call anybody. She called me and she was like, people are asking for this hair. Like, where did you get this hair? I was like, listen, I'm trying this hair out. I can't give you the tea yet. Because whenever I give out my hair to my wig girl, I take off the tags. I'm not going to let you know how much I bought my hair or something like that. I just don't like when people look at me like, like, I don't know how to explain it. I just don't feel comfortable with them knowing exactly how much my hair is. But Nigerians, you get as they be, okay? So I recorded clips on things I have done to this hair. So that I'm going to put this along the video. I'll play it along the video while I talk about it so that you guys can see. Let me not just come here and talk without showing you proof of my testing of this hair, okay? So I did bleach the knots. I bleached the knots, and does it take dye well? Does it bleach well? Absolutely yes, it bleached so good. But the only thing I will tell you is it takes time for it to bleach because it's Asian hair. Asian hair doesn't really bleach. So you have to be patient with the bleaching, but it does bleach. As you can see, I have it in, like, I'll not call this a curl, but like a wave. So it's a straight hair, so it's not really going to hold a curl like a body wave or like a kinky curly or something like that. It's just going to give you nice, sexy, voluminous waves, and I love it. I love it. I prefer it curled this way than straight, but even though straight is still a look, it's still a vibe. But this is just so sexy and bodacious, like me. Okay, so does it shed? Does it tangle? Does it mat? Listen, I didn't get any of that. I was trying to customize the front, the closure. Listen, I was trying to pluck out strands, and these strands were not coming off. I was like, which kind of closure? Did they tie the strands of hair to the net? I'm not understanding. So I just want to pluck the closure right now, so at least I can make some baby hairs. So that's what we're going to do now. The hair is looking nice to me. I haven't straightened it or done anything to it, so we'll see how it goes. Like, the closure is so solid, it is legit. When I say the closure is legit, I mean the closure is legit. Like, I was trying to pluck this hair and nothing was coming out. I had to even use my hand, nothing still came out. So the strands are so healthy and thick. Oh my goodness. The ends, Jesus, the ends are so healthy. Like, I can't even explain it. I cannot explain it. I love this hair so much. Let me just put that in there. I love the hair. Okay? And then the back, you know how when you have your hair, let me show you guys. You know when you have your hair in the back and then you went out and it's sweating because Lagos is so hot. I stay in Lagos, Nigeria, and it's very humid. The back doesn't even mat. The back doesn't mat. It doesn't tangle. The strands don't come together. They don't clump together. Everybody's on their own. You can literally see every strand for itself. That's how amazing this hair is. So I went out. When did I go out? I went out 2 days ago and I curled it and then I kept it. I just hung it and then I recorded it today for this video so you guys can see it. And it still holds the curl I used to curl it daddy, like, oh my god, like it held the curl. I have curled this hair since morning.
The way you stare into my eyes, I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
But it still held the curl. So if you're looking for something that's versatile, this hair can be worn straight, it can be worn curled. So it's all up to you, baby girl. Do what you do with your hair after all you want it. So the next point is it worth it? Okay, I'm gonna keep this nice, short, and cute. Is it worth the money? So they sent me 3 bundles of 22 inches and an 18-inch closure, and the closure was, I think it was longer than 18 inches. So it's one of those hairs that you order a length and then the length is so long, it is so accurate, and then you love it. And one thing I love about this, like I said, the ends are amazing. Like, listen, let me just brush this. The ends are so healthy. So if you want to know good hair, just know from the ends. When the ends are healthy, the hair will bounce, the hair will move, the hair will flow. So yeah. So is it worth the money? This hair currently now with the exchange rate should be going towards 200 plus, because my sister got this piano hair, a 16-inch one, for about 160 plus. So this is 22 inches, so it's way past 20. So this hair will be over 200k, of course. It will be like 220, 230, maybe 240, depends. So is it worth the money? Yes. Yes. This hair is worth the money. I have gotten hair from other Vietnamese companies and this is the best quality of hair I've gotten. Okay? I'm not going to front. I'm not saying this because they sent me this hair. I'm telling you facts. If you want us to do a Vietnamese hair versus, kindly drop me a comment in the comment section. I will do, because I have hair from them. So we can go toe for toe with them. A vessel. So let me know if you want that. I will definitely make that happen. I don't know if you want it because I want it. So yeah, drop me a comment if you do. I totally love the hair. Listen, I'm going to buy hair from them with my own money. I already told Papi, give me the money. I want to get some hair, and I'm definitely getting it from them. So you should get hair from them too. I'm not going to lead you astray or steer you astray. This is the best quality of hair I have ever had. You know, when I was much younger, I used to look at those aunties and I used to be like, oh, this auntie, see the hair. Listen, this is the type of hair they wear. This is the hair. Like when I wear this hair, I feel like Beyonce, okay? Like Beyonce who? Beyonce who? This hair is fire. So if you're thinking about trying them out, if you're scared, have no fear. They will deliver, because I've seen mine, I've seen my sister's own. The same quality, if not better than mine. I feel like hers is better than mine because it's shorter. Yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other videos you would find helpful or you want me to create, and I'll definitely do that, because that's what I'm here for, baby girl. That is what I'm here for. So if you're going to be shopping with them, please definitely let them know that DEBORAH sent you, that you watched my review, and my review, you know, calmed you down and let you know that you can actually shop and purchase from them. They're amazing people. They're a little bit slow when it comes to replying, but they will eventually reply you, and you will eventually get your hair. Just calm down, you get your hair, and let me tell you, it's going to be amazing quality. Okay, so let me know in the comments what hair companies you would want me to review. I'll definitely do that for you guys, okay? Because baby girl is just that. So I'm feeling myself. If you guys are watching this video and you're seeing me acting kind of different and funny, it's because of the hair. The hair giving me attitude. I feel like going out this time, okay? But I can't. I have another video to film, okay? So without further ado, I'll see you in my next video.